You can see 4 resistance levels: 1, 2, 3, 4, and support levels: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 support levels. That means that this market is on a downtrend. I'll say that this market is on a downtrend. This is the downtrend because it has been hitting resistance levels and coming down, resistance levels and coming down. If I was in a trade, I would close this trade because it has touched a support level and could reverse. If I was in a trade, I would close the trade and watch out and see what price action will do next. So this is for Stellar Coin, and this is for SRP. I read the news yesterday evening that the SEC, the SEC, they filed a lawsuit. They filed a lawsuit on Ripple. That lawsuit made Ripple drop value in the space of 2 days. They lost value. Just check out from the 21st of December till the 20 29th of December. 8 days. SRP lost the whole market cap it has generated in a very, very long time because the founders of SRP made a wrong decision. They registered their company, but they didn't register the coin, the asset on SEC. And if they registered it on SEC, SEC would then file it as a digital asset or crypto asset, and then they'll be able to sell it out. But they were selling it already, they were selling the token out without it being registered. So SEC now said no, that we don't accept that, and they filed a lawsuit again. So that's why they lost their whole value. Even the biggest holders of SRP, known as the third largest cryptocurrency in the world, they pulled out. They sold all their coins. So I'm on a trade on SRP. I'm on a buy trade. I'm on a buy trade on SRP. And if you look closely, wow, wow. On SRP, the market price is currently on a massive support zone. It's on a support zone on the daily time frame. This top-down analysis, it is on a massive support zone on the daily time frame. So if we move down to the 4 hours, if we move down to the 4 hours, let me zoom in. If we move down to the 4 hours, you can see that the market is currently selling. Is selling. SRP is selling. It is selling. So what we can do right now is that we move down to the 1 day, because I can't see any support level on the 4 hours that will hold this market from moving more down. Move down to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we can see a massive support level here. You can see a support level here on the 1 hour. And price action is trying to move up. But I think that will be very difficult because of the lawsuit against Ripple. Well, yeah, in 4 hours, no support level yet. No support level. So this market could still drop in value massively. It could still drop in value massively. So that's it. That's it for now on SRP. Well, for Litecoin, We have a bounce and an arrow. But let me go down to daily time frame first. We're on the daily time frame. And on daily time frame, we can see that the market is on a resistant level. Let me zoom out. On Litecoin, the market is on a resistant level, a previous high on a resistant level. Move down to 4 hours. Wow, the market is in a new heaven in 4 hours. It has not reached a resistance level yet. As we move down to 1 day, sorry, 1 hour, I mean, you can see that the market it came up with an arrow, a buy signal arrow. But these candles here, they're ash. They are not light green. They are ash green or dark green, I'll say. So the market has not really confirmed that this market is going to go up. So on this 1 hour, we'll be watching out for Litecoin and expecting a drop because on the daily time frame, the market is in a resistance. While on the 4 hours, it is in a no man's land. But I can see price action. It's created impulse correction, and the next thing we have is impulse. This is it. Impulse correction, impulse. After impulse, we have a correction and an impulse. So that's it for. But I think this market will sell. Litecoin will sell. Okay. So we'll be waiting for it on the 1 hour to turn from a buy signal to a sell signal, so we can place the trade on Litecoin. So if I also want to enter this trade, I make sure that this zone here, this support zone here, has been cleared, is removed. So I'll be looking for a potential down move from here down to this zone. This is the trade I'll be placing. So I can't enter this trade right now. And then let me go down to Ethereum. We'll move to the daily time frame first. Okay. Look on the daily time frame, Ethereum is heading to a resistance zone. It's heading to a resistance zone. So when it gets to this resistance zone, then we'll start looking for a sell opportunity. But currently it has not reached the resistance zone yet. It has not reached it. So when it gets there, we move down to our 4 hours. Let me see what the 4 hours is saying. On the 4 hours, you can't find any resistance right now. Although it is giving us a buy signal on the 4 hours. It gave us a buy signal. We still have a lot of push to move. We still have a lot of push to move. We have a lot of push to move. This is from Ethereum. This from Ethereum. So we move down to the 1 hour. Okay, on the 1 hour we have a zone, a resistance zone holding the market here. That's why the market has not moved up. But I can see a W formation here. I can see a W formation here. Market is going to reverse then before it pushes up. So we're expecting impulse, correction, and another impulse. The same thing implies in the 30 minutes, the same structure, W formation. Move down to 5 minutes. And the 5 minutes, he gave us a sell signal. He gives us a sell signal. So while on the 1 hour, it's coming out a resistance. Although on the 1 day it is not in a resistance yet, it has not reached the resistance point. So this market could still move up. It has not reached the resistance point yet. This market could still move up. So you have to be patient. Have to be patient for a full confirmation that this market is selling. If it breaks this zone, that's where we'll now enter a sell. But for now, I'm not entering the market. Let me go back to Litecoin. Let me see what's happening on the 5 minutes chart. Okay. On the 5 minutes, Litecoin has already started selling. And use this for a sniper entry. I use it for a sniper entry because I'm expecting Litecoin to drop. Because on the daily time frame it has reached a resistance and it is reversing. On 4 hours I can't really tell. I can't really tell on 4 hours. But on 1 hour you can see that it has touched this resistance and is currently reversing. Currently reversing. So for us to enter a quick entry, we can go down to 5 minutes and place the trade. You can go down to 5 minutes and place the trade. This is a lot of pips and a lot of money, but when it comes to crypto, this money on 5 minutes, it's less than a dollar. It's less than a dollar. On the trading platform I use, is Binance.com. I'll be dropping the link down on the comment section too, so you can register with that and start trading the crypto market from the comfort of your home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to interested friends and family who would like a professional to guide them trading the crypto market or the forex market. So I'm expecting Litecoin to drop, but I'm expecting that signal on 1 hour. I don't want to place that trade. Let it come. Let the sell signal come on 1 hour. So Litecoin, okay, BNB. Wow. When I go to daily time frame, what's happening to Binance coin? This Binance coin. I move down to 4 hours. Okay, and I move down to 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour there is a resistance structure there. So on the daily time frame, we have a buy without a resistance zone that is going to hold the market. On 4 hours time frame, we have the same buy, but I'm seeing a reversal somehow. There is a reversal here. Then we go down to our 1 hour. You can see the cost of the reversal. There is a resistance structure there on 1 hour. There is a resistance structure there. So this market is likely going to drop. Market is likely going to drop. And if we go down to 5 minutes, you can see that it's already selling. And also on 5 minutes, we can see that the market has sold, but it's currently on a support zone. So I think if this market breaks this level, this support level, this green support level here on 5 minutes, then well, we'll be looking for a massive drop. We're looking for a massive drop in price down to this level, down to the 35.390 price of BNB. So 35.39. Okay. So on 1 hour, I think that is when this support, there is a support level here on 1 hour. So when this support level breaks, that's when we'll be looking for a sell. 35.35. Okay, we'll be looking for a sell down to this point on 1 hour. But the sell can continue down to this point because this is the closest support level of the BNB. This is the closest support level of the BNB. This is the closest support level of the BNB. See, so we have good opportunity. You just need to get a sell signal on the 1 hour, a sell signal on the 1 hour for BNB, and place a trade. So I'll be adding Litecoin and BNB on our watch list. I'll add Litecoin and BNB on our watch list. SRP is already on our watch list, and I'm trading that, for a long signal. Why? I'll adding BNB and Litecoin on our watch list. So down to Bitcoin Cash. Okay. On the daily time frame, you can see that the Bitcoin Cash is on a resistant level right now. It's on a resistant level right now. And if I move down to 4 hours, the same thing entails is on a resistant level. So we'll be looking for a sell position. It is coming out from a resistant level on the 4 hours. And then on the 1 hour, the candles on 1 hour is ash green. So it has not really formed a sell signal yet. So we need to wait. We need to wait for BNB, or no, sorry, Bitcoin Cash to break this support level. If it breaks the support level, then we'll be looking for a sell signal, and a sell signal down to this point, the closest resistance. So currently, Bitcoin Cash is in a trending, sorry, a ranging situation. We need to wait for it to break this. If I move down to 5 minutes, you can see yes, there's also a support level here. So it still has to break two support levels on the five minutes before we can get our massive push. No, this support level is what I think we need to break, and it is 30, that's 344.575. Let me check that on 1 hour. 344.575. Okay. So on the 1 hour, that's 344.57. Okay. On 1 hour, that's not even close to this zone yet. This is the zone I want it to break on 1 hour. That's Bitcoin Cash before we move for a sell. So for now, only what I can add on my watch list is Litecoin and BNB. So I want add that on my watch list. But meanwhile, Bitcoin Cash could drop because it's on the resistance on the 1 hour, 1 day, resistance on the 4 hours. I'm just waiting for it to change from a buy candle to a sell candle on 1 hour so I can place the trade. But it has to break this support. If it just break this support, I'm watching out for it. If you break this support, then I'm going for a sell. If you break the support, I'm going out for a sell. If you break the support, I'm going out for a sell. Okay. Okay. So this daily sell resistance, 4 hours sell resistance, wait 1 hour change to sell, break support, then we enter the sell. So this is Bitcoin USDT. So we check the daily time frame first. On the daily time frame, Bitcoin is moving massively by. On daily time frame, Bitcoin is moving massively by. And if I move down to the 4 hours, if I move down to the 4 hours, it's still on a buy signal 4 hours, and then on 1 hour, okay, okay. On 1 hour, Bitcoin is currently buying also. There is no resistance yet, only support, so only green zone. So I'll be looking for buys in Bitcoin. I won't be looking for sell. Why in 5 minutes I can see why it is rejecting. There's a resistance on 5 minutes and it has shown a sell signal. I won't be trading Bitcoin for a sell right now, so I'll be looking for buy opportunities. Although before I place a sell, I need to see Bitcoin go into a sell position on the 4 hours before I can place a sell. Then when it goes to a sell position and I see a resistance on the 4 hours, then I'll move down to my 1 hour and look for a much better sell. I think when it breaks this support, that's when it will transform to a sell. So if it breaks this support, I'll be aiming for to down here. That is 23,000. 23,000. So for now, Bitcoin is not an opportunity to trade. Although I got a gold signal today. Okay, let me check the daily time frame first. Let me load my template. Okay, on the daily time frame, I can see that gold just bounced off a support and crossed this EMA and is likely going to move up. But I can see resistance here, and I can see a trend line. I can see a trend line. So this is a trend line, and this market could respect this area and continue selling. Break this resistance. Most people don't like buying gold. Most people like selling gold. So market could break that resistance and continue selling. Let's move down to our 4 hours. So you see, currently on the 4 hours, there's a resistance point there on 4 hours. On 4 hours, there's a resistance point there. So because there's a resistance point there, what we do now is that we wait for this market to change from a buy to a sell. Market change from a buy to a sell, then we'll be looking for opportunities. Let me adjust this trend line. Let me adjust this trend line. Mm-hmm. So the trend line is adjusted now. Perfect. The trend line is adjusted. So that's why this resistance is here. The market has moved up. The market has moved up and hit this resistance and is. I won't be placing a buy order on gold. I'll be placing sell orders. I'll be placing sell orders instead because I can see that this market is coming down gradually. What goes up must come down. You can see, yes, you can see there's one, two, three supports, and there is one, two, three, four, five resistance on the 4 hours. So I will, if I go down to my 1 hour, the same thing implies on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour right now, you can see that price hit this resistance and it is coming off, and it has a very close support. So it is clustered. There is a clustered price action happening here. There's a clustered price action happening here. So because there's this clustered price action, we won't be looking for a tradable opportunity. We need this support to break. We need this support to break. If the support breaks, then we'll be looking for a sell signal. Looking for a sell signal. So for now, there is also a ranging situation here. You see, there's a resistance, bounce, hit on this support, hit on this resistance, bounce off, hit on this support, bounce off, hit this resistance, bounce off, hit this support, bounce off, hit this resistance, coming down to hit the support again. So no tradable opportunity right now. Then we'll move down to the 5 minutes because this is a very volatile market. We'll be looking for tradable opportunities on the 5 minutes. And currently on the 5 minutes, you can see that there is this support here, and I know that market gold will probably break this support. When it breaks it, another sell signal will come out, and when there's a sell signal, then we have a potential trade entry to place a sell, and we can place this sell down to this support, and this is 78 pips. 78 pips. So that's 78 pips. So we move down to our one hour. So let me calculate to know exactly where that 78 pips. So okay, somewhere 78. That will be within this support zone. That will be within this support. So I'll be looking for this resistance to be broken. So this resistance, if it's broken and I continue to get a sell signal, I'll place this. Thank you so much for everyone that came on this call. Right now I'm not trading currency pairs or just trading crypto pairs and metal, precious metal. So thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends and relatives who really want a professional to guide them through the process of trading. Thank you so much, and God bless you.